Soon, you might not need to send buyers away from ChatGPT. Instead, they will buy inside your conversation, your art, your voice, your shop, all open for dialogue. Every time I sat down to write a product description or answer messages, I felt a barrier. My hands wanted to make, not type. I knew my product stories, but turning that story into words felt hard. Many Etsy sellers feel this. We love crafting, but the sales side, titles, SEO, checkout, that often feels like a separate job. When I heard of this ChatGPT plus Etsy merge, I felt a shift. This is more than a tool. It's a bridge so your creativity and commerce can finally speak the same language. Here is what's new. Etsy and OpenAI have partnered. Now, in the US, some Etsy listing can be bought directly from ChatGPT. That's right, a user chats with ChatGPT, sees your products and clicks buy, all without leaving the conversation. They can pay with credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all inside ChatGPT. For now, only US shoppers can do this, and only with single item purchases. Also, the buyer is first a guest in Etsy system to link it to their Etsy account so they can review, contact you. They need to connect their accounts. OpenAI calls this feature instant checkout. It's built via a payment structure they co-developed with Stripe. Also, merchants, you, the sellers, will pay a small fee when a sale goes through ChatGPT. And ChatGPT says it will rank Etsy products purely by relevance, not by whether they support instant checkout. Now, imagine this. A customer types, "Show me a handmade mug." ChatGPT responds with a few mugs, including your listing. They click one, see images, product details, and right there, Buy Now button inside chat. You, the seller, get an order. Behind the scenes, the system checks your product data, stock, shipping. It does everything you already manage, but invisibly. Your voice still matters. Your product copy, your style, your images, they still define how your listing feels. Your words still guide the AI. When writing a description, you tell it, make it warm, talk about the glaze, mention that each is unique. Then it crafts the CEO title, the description, the tags, all in your voice. But now there is also a path for the buyers to act immediately, not just read and follow the experience, all inside conversation. This change isn't about AI replacing you. It's about your shop breathing a new form, a quiet channel of connection. Soon, your story won't just be read. It might be conversed with, bought from, felt in real time. When your art has a voice, buyers don't just observe, they listen, and sometimes they stay.